welcome to the Glow Diaries. My name is Vina and welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna be trying to glow up my makeup look. This is how I do my makeup right now. I will show some pictures. I just want to experiment trying to glow up with the makeup that I currently have and kind of like improve my makeup look. To start off with doing my eyebrows. I am just using this brow wax from Savvy. Savvy is like kind of like a drugstore brand. It's like about $10. Just use really cheap brow wax. I don't really invest in expensive ones. So I'm just gonna do my brows how I usually do it. That's my eyebrows done. It's very simple. Now I'm gonna prep my face. Trying something that I have done in quite a while, and I just put foundation on my face. I usually don't wear foundation because in summer it's too hot to wear foundation, and in winter my skin is way too dry for that. So I'm gonna try prep my skin for that by putting on moisturizer. I just put moisturizer 5 minutes ago. So I'm using handmade skin gel. It's a sunscreen and primer. So I'm just gonna put it on my face. Winter right now, so in Australia, so hopefully skin doesn't get too dry. So now we're using the handmade glow skin base, all-in-one base and UV shield. It's a skin primer base, I guess. I'm gonna put it all over my face. I'm just using this sponge to blend it out. I'm going to re-moisturize my face by using the Marabesque Alba spray. And now we're gonna go with some concealer. So I have the Charlotte Tilbury liquid concealer. I recommend to not get it in this form. Do not get this particular concealer with the brush at the end. It's very hard to get the thing off. The lid off, sorry. And this, I don't know. I just personally don't like this little brush, but everything's. So I'm just covering. Now I'm gonna be doing the eyes, doing my eyeliner, and I am using the Leo waterproof pencil liner. Do not know specifically what it is. I don't line my eyes the whole way. I only just do the end of my eye, like so. As you can see right here, slightly lining my. This is a brown color as well. Now I'm going to be prepping to do my lashes. I have found this little technique from TikTok. As you can see, like right now, I have very short eyelashes that slant down, and for the longest time I couldn't seem to curl them up at all. But I found the perfect technique, and this girl on TikTok, she said she used lash curler specifically. It's called the Shiseido curler. Don't know if there's anything special about this lash. I was very convinced and I got it, and it has worked. See, already looks so good. Using the Dottor mascara fixer from Etude, one of my favorites. It really kind of like extend your lashes a bit, and it keeps it upright. I also just got this curl fix Etude as mascara. I do not know if it's actually cute. I feel like it helps a lot. This is like, anyways, so I'm gonna attempt to contour my nose, and this is the only contouring sticker that I have. It's from Savvy. It's old like the rest of my makeup. I use this brush to blend out the contour. Hopefully it works out really well. So this is what my contour looks like. Do I love it? I don't know. Okay, so I heard on TikTok that for Asians, using contour blush like vertically really helps. So I'm doing a bit of an experiment. Do you want to hear as well. I'm gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh. Does it work? It looks so weird. Sorry. I don't know how I've done it at an angle. I don't see a difference. I'm using the Decay eyeshadow primer. And I'm just gonna prime it up like so. Too Faced Peach palette. That's one of the few eyeshadows that I have. I used the peach tea thing over here. And we're gonna go on with the peach tea. Kind of like this area of it on. And we're gonna go over the peach top at the very edge. Very lightly. I'm gonna just blend it out. I'm gonna just go with the peach tart under my eye a bit. So I'm gonna just do that. Don't know about this look. Okay, next we are doing lashes. We are trying to do manhole lashes. I've never done manhole lashes before. So I have very fluffy lashes here. I'm gonna cut them up and hopefully I can turn this into manhole lashes. Okay, so I cut those into little pieces and here I am gonna just try put this on. Why did I start in the middle? It looks so weird. So this is the other lashes uncut and you guys can see the difference between me cutting lashes. I think these lashes are too long to begin with, but you can see the difference in cutting them. I'm just gonna do the other. I look so good. So happy. Like cutting them actually does work. I got these lashes from AliExpress. Last of all, not least, we are white. It's hard, makes everything pop. Don't do anything for my lip area, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. This highlight, this is a Chinese brand I do not know, I'm so sorry. And, oops. We're gonna hold and then lightly on top. Okay, so I forgot to do my blush, but I'm gonna use my own blush. I'm using Mecca Mix. It's the color Gold Glow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Anyways, this is my glow up makeup look. I felt like I did a pretty good job in trying the manhole lashes and trying to do the manhole trends. I have really done this makeup look before and I like it. Like, I really like this makeup look and it takes a long time because you have to cut the lashes and glue it on. But I think next time I probably would not use foundation again and I'll probably stick to concealer. I'm not too sure how good contouring works on skin without any foundation. Hopefully that's alright. But I really like the lashes and doing the part of the eye. And I do want to try wearing contact lenses. I just haven't worn a lot of contact lenses in quite a while. If you enjoyed this video, please support my channel. You can comment and subscribing. Bye.